Good afternoon, my name is Sean and today I'll be presenting my role in my final year capstone project. Please keep in mind that I'm dramatically oversimplifying my explanation of the project and my deliverables, and so I will leave many details out. To understand how judges determine prison sentences, one must identify the charges as well as the relevant aggravating and mitigating factors that influence the judge's sentencing decision. Unfortunately, due to the lack of structure in sentencing documents, identifying charges and these factors can be tedious and time-consuming. My solution to this problem was to parse sentencing documents and then feed them into an NLP pipeline that could autonomously identify the presence of certain aggravating and mitigating factors, as well as charges. During this process, I would also extract key pieces of information and anonymize all names at the client's behest. The sentencing documents originally came in rich text format. Whilst this format is perfectly adequate when reading in a word processor, it is not ideal for reading into a program. Given this, I first needed to convert these files to a plain text format, whilst conserving the minimal amount of structure required to maintain readability. As you can see, the result of this conversion is quite difficult to read, and so I developed a parser in Python to format it. The result of this formatting can be seen here. The next step was to extract valuable data, such as the case number, whether the document pertains to criminal sentencing, and the names of the judge and the defendant. Due to privacy concerns, the client requested that all data that will be fed into an NLP classifier must be stripped of sensitive information. Given this, I next developed a means by which the judge and defendant could be identified without their names being present. Additionally, all other names were replaced with randomly generated names. With that all out of the way, I could make a start on the NLP pipeline by cleaning the data. Data cleaning options include removal of punctuation, removal of stop words, stemming, lemmatization, and case lowering. Finally, the cleaned documents were fed into a data mining program known as Orange. A mixture of manually labeled documents and raw contexts were used to train a support vector machine, which in turn classified unlabeled documents. Whilst I was able to achieve my goals, the process of training an NLP classifier was somewhat time-consuming, a problem that I was hoping to avoid in my solution. That being said, I believe my solution still significantly reduces the time required to identify charges and factors in sentencing documents. Thank you for taking the time to watch my presentation. I hope it was informative.